So we are here facilitating the new lobby Mosaic artwork for the Specialty and Cancer Care Center in Tinton Falls. So I think it's super cool and very important that the community here, from the staff to the greater public, gets to contribute to a piece like this.
We chose to create this mosaic to give our community members an opportunity to create something amazing to permanently be located in our Specialty and Cancer Care Center.
Not only does it add value to our town, but it adds a very strong peace of mind for our residents, knowing that the very fine health care that RWJBH offers will be available to them in our backyard.
Actually becoming a fabric, literally, of the building as they contribute their little piece of the tiles to the walls. And I think it's a great community builder.
So I'm glad the kids can be a part of it, I can be a part of it, and join in with all the community people that are here to make something special.
Everybody's tile is different colors, different patterns, and yet when you put them together, it will all be one.
It's been very therapeutic, actually, putting these tiles together. And when it all comes together, it's going to be a beautiful mosaic that's going to be displayed for everybody to see.
And I'm very proud and honored to be part of this mosaic built here for our new cancer center.
So today is the start of our series of mosaic events where we're inviting members of our community, members of our board, our donors, our grateful patients, and our team members, our staff, to help us create this amazing art.
And what we hope this mosaic will be able to do, and particularly when you look at the colors that are part of it, it will give you a sense of calm.
I wanted to be able to give back to the community in a meaningful way in the new building. And there is a history of art in my family, and I thought that this would be the most enjoyable way for people, hopefully, to, if they have to come to the center and see something that is soothing and relaxing.
But this is going to be great with so many different types of people preparing this mosaic, and when it's all together, it'll be a great testimony to the community working together.
So having a new cancer center is so exciting. Honestly, I can't wait. I'm counting the days until we're in there.
Yes, so today we're making a beautiful mosaic tile for our new center. I think myself and my team are very excited to be a part of it, making something that's going to hang in the lobby that patients and their families will see every day. It's important to me to be a part of something bigger.
I'm very excited to be a part of this mosaic, as we say, putting together our community, our staff, and our patients as we really celebrate the opening of our new cancer care center. Because it's all about people. It's all about the people that we serve. It's all about the people that care for them. And doing this together makes everybody feel a part of it.